All right, guys. Well, welcome to another Overtime 4x4 road trip. We're super excited on this one. What did we do to get to this point, Nick?
Well, it's been many months of working, especially on our trailers, but vehicles in general. Conrad bolted up and welded a massive tow package. I've been building a cover for mine to keep the dirt out of it, and just numerous other projects. It's taken months to get here, but finally we're here. It was a mad scramble at the last minute, trying to work super late at night, packing super late. Conrad's got 3 hours of sleep. Anyway, we're here. We're leaving today. It's about noon.
Yeah, we're gonna head down to the dunes. It's a maiden voyage for our trailers and really for some of the serious mods we've done on our trucks and stuff.
Yeah, man. I've been wanting to go on this trip for like a long time. I'm just really excited to just get on the road, see what's waiting for us.
Can't wait to get back to the dunes.
And 4.
All right, guys. Well, we just drove for about, I don't know, what would you say, Dor, like 10 and a half hours, 11 hours. We just got to Rocksport, Oregon. We're right outside of the dunes. And Nick was a little bit desperate for gas, so we stopped at a local gas station here. It's kind of funky in Oregon. Like, gas is kind of hard to come by and some weird restrictions, but we got the gas and off to the dunes.
Fairly unincidental, except
Yeah, it's amazing how energized you can become when you have a few cars honking at you and then your friends pull over and it's like, what's going on? Oh, your fenders are about to fall off. We got to fix that on the side of I-5. So that kind of sucked, but we got through it. Nobody got hurt. None of the equipment's damaged. We're good.
By the way, this is the context here is that Conrad spent like 2 months creating these like custom fenders. And so this would have been a complete disaster if they actually like fell off. It would have been a complete tragedy. I'm going to the big one.
Don't try that at home.
The lid fell in.
The cheese is oozing.
The cheese is oozing.
it's the second full day out on the dunes, and it's really the first day with good weather and the first day that we're not completely bogged down with logistics. And we're really excited to get out on those dunes, test our vehicles out, me with a new engine since last time, Ben with a ton of new gear, and a lot going on. So we've aired down a ton, and we're about to get out there.
Yeah, and once we finish up with the dunes, then we're going to head to the beach and check that out. That's going to be really cool. And it'll be Dory's first time seeing the beach here, so that'll be awesome.
Yeah, the dunes are going to be full of surprises for us. Maybe we're going to try some new trails, maybe not. Head to the beach, see how far down the beach we can get. We've been here before. This is Hauser Beach. This is the Hauser Beach area. So we're pretty familiar with the area. Maybe we'll see another like dead sea lion or something like that. See some whatever crazy stuff is out there. So see you guys on the trails.
I saw my flag fell off.
Yep.
That happens when you don't tie down your gas cans.
It's hard to overstate how primitive and remote the Oregon coast feels. For miles and miles, we're the only human beings in sight. But as beautiful as these Oregon coast sand dunes have been, the constant rain and darkness over the past week has become dreary. Everything is wet, cold, and sandy. We're fortunate that Conrad deployed his fire-making skills every night, even in the rain. The warm light and heat makes all the difference. We'll miss these beautiful scenes, but the time feels right for our next move, away from the beach and into the mountains.
Yesterday we arrived at Miwok Village in California, just east of Sacramento, and that was a heck of a drive. It was about 17 hours in total, and a large part of that was because of the Samurai being kind of a slow vehicle in general, especially up some of these mountain passes. We ended up getting about 3 hours of sleep at a rest stop. I just set up my sleeping bag and cot right on the ground there, and we got here at about 1 p.m. yesterday. Then we went to the local watering hole and got some good advice about where to off-road. So we're gonna head out into the hills today and check out some snow for the first time in almost a year at this point, and just air down a bit and have some fun today.
Winter storm is fast approaching, and it's time for us to get off these trails quickly. At 5,000 feet, weather deteriorates rapidly, and trails can be gated off without notice, forcing unplanned detours. Our next stop is unknown, but we're unanimous in wanting some warm Southern California air. Thanks for watching, and let us know if any of these locations piqued your interest. We're happy to share.